guys, get ready with me. So today's outfit. Hi guys, good morning. So welcome to my mini vlog. Guys, so pagigising lang natin. Ayan. So kailangan na natin mag-prepare kasi kailangan na naman natin magtrabaho. Today's breakfast, guys. Egg pie, which is din ako kakahapon to, guys. Guys, get ready with me. So, guys, kailangan na natin mag-shower. Ano tayo ng building, guys. So, ito ang ating full look for today. So, andito na po tayo sa ating workplace. So, first thing na ginagawa ko, pagdating ko ng store, ay mag-check tayo ng email. O, yan. Yan ang aking desk. Ayan, guys. So, today's outfit. Ayan. This is my outfit for today. So, dahil nag-walk tayo, guys, dito tayo sa aming men's section. Ito ang aming summer collection, guys. Kita nyo ba yan? Guys, nakikita nyo ba yung mga polos na yan? Ayan. So, yan yung kaka-receive lang namin na shipment last night. So, marami kaming sale, guys, as you can see. Ayan. Marami kaming sale. And guys, for today's update, lunchtime. So, salamat sa aking mabait na asawa for sending all this food. Cooked by you. Salamat! So, ayan. Yan ang aking lunch for today, guys. So, ayan. Hindi talaga ako magugutom. What? So, thank you. Oh, ayan na, guys. Dito na tayo sa my CDM. Malapit lang sa aking store. So, ayan na siya, guys. Let's go inside. Ayan. So, dito ako nagbabanking daily. Ayan. Okay, guys. Patapos na ang ating duty for today. Kailangan na nating mag-punch. Thank you. Okay. Thank you daw. So, ayan. Pauwi na tayo, guys. Tapos na ang ating mga report. So, that is for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching.